Hey everyone, this is Desiree with Vapor Honing Technologies, and today I want to go over the difference between an open loop system and a closed loop system. Vapor honing machines inherently come as an open loop system. Now, open loop and closed loop systems have solely to do with your fresh water in your rinse systems. You have an internal rinse nozzle to clean off your part after it's been blasted, and you have a window rinse system. Now, in an open water source, this fresh water is pooled via a garden hose fixture. However, in a closed loop system, you have a freestanding water source which contains two basins full of fresh water and a diaphragm pump. So as your rinse systems are working, it's pulling water from the bottom basin into your machine, and then it comes out again to the top basin via your overflow valve where it is filtered, goes down to the bottom basin to be recycled back into your machine over and over. So that's the difference between an open loop and a closed loop system. If you'd like more information, feel free to call me directly at 828-220-4303 or email me at Desiree@vaporhoningtechnologies.com.